Video we'll see how we can create lifting WordPress website in a lifting WordPress website for free. Here I've created a page of lifting. You can create a website or pages or add lifting in your WordPress. We'll see how we can do that. Here I'm logged into WordPress. Now we'll install a plugin to add product lifting in website. So we'll see how we can create lifting website or show product lifting in WordPress website. So you can see direct lift, WordPress business directory plugin with classified add lifting. We'll see how we can create lifting in WordPress. Let's go. I am now activated. Let's go. These are some setup. So you can see search result, okay, all category, location, continue. These are some pages, select map, okay. These are some basic dummy lifting that will be imported for setup. You can see it will be imported, so you can view it and you can add your lifting as per by seeing it. So you can import dummy lifting. So I'm importing it to show you. Now view directory dashboard. Now it has been created. Direct lifting has been created. These are some lifting that has been by default dummy lifting. You can manage categories from here, location from here, tags from here, and you can add lifting here. Okay, here you can see on locations also. The multiple. You can add new from here. Okay, add new lifting. There will be title of lifting, the description you want to say, tagline that you want to say, price you want to say, price range or price USD. Okay, contact information, map address if you want to say, you can show here. Images and video you can add. Custom fields, some custom field if you want to add, you can also add it here. Okay, and inside you can add location, lifting category and location on which it will be shown. So we will add lifting by that. See how it will look from front end. These are setting. If you want to enable multi-directory, you can enable from here. Now I want to change currency. Location category, lifting currency here. I can add currency name. I can add rupees here. Now let's see the lifting. This is all lifting that has been created by default. Click on view. Here you can see lifting, video, images, location, contact information of that lifting, and submit form, and it will be sent to owner. Here if you want, I want to add some pages on menu. When you go on pages, here you can see all lifting page. Click on it. This is the lifting page. There is lifting, you can see. So you can easily manage and add lifting in WordPress. Like here you can see, if you don't want to show or add information, you can manage from here directly. Directory builder, here you can see, and single page, how directly will be look. Single page layout is this, how directly will be visual from front end. You can also change as per requirement, whatever detail you want to show. Here you can see, you can add, you want to add any section, you can add it here. Lifting header, this is content section, this is other setting, review form. Now all lifting layout, here you can see all lifting layout. You can change as per your requirement. Search form. I want to create a page, custom page with Elementor. Suppose that sample page I want to create with Elementor, and I will create a listing front view, how it will look. You can create that. I will show you. Remove everything. Here you can see search form. I can drag and drop easily. Here, search form. You can create page view using Elementor, also using this plugin. You can see that's how it is. If you don't want to display title, anything, you don't want to style it, like I want to style this whole section with some background, I can add it. Here you can see now it will looking better. Here you can see this is my search bar. I will search something. Here search result, all I can see. Now let's try to search shopping city of Los Angeles. Go back. Shopping city of Los Angeles. Search it. Here you can see, so you can add the search bar on any pages. Now after that, if suppose that you want to add some listing, show some listing, so you can show it. Listing category, you can show all listing I want to show. Here you can see if you want to show some listing based on a specific category, you can set from here. Okay, so you can set listing as per your requirement. So there are multiple customization from front end, back end, everything that you can go through this plugin. Okay, I have given you a preview, only simple preview. If you want this plugin to go on more detail, let me know. Okay, I will create more video on it. Now important thing, direct listing, like if someone other than admin can add listing or not, I will show you how. You can go on setting, go on users, new user registration, then user able to register, and then able to add listing if you enable it. Okay, if you hide it, no one can able to log in and add listing. Just go on user and disable the new user registration, though no user can able to register and add listing. Okay, so that's very simple. You can only able to add listing and some user that you can create through WordPress, then only be able to add listing. So that's all in this plugin. That's how you can create listing in it, view pages, add listing, modify listing, everything. There are multiple customization options. If I created that video, it will go so long. I've given a basic view that how you can do it, how to use that plugin, how you can set up it. If you need in more detail, let me know. So that's all. Thank you for watching.